Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Megha Agrawal, and today I am going to tell you about basic education. Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation, was the propounder of the basic education scheme. Mahatma Gandhi ji was the first Indian who advocated the scheme of basic education, which is based upon the essential values of Indian culture and civilization. According to Gandhiji, education is an all round drawing out of the best in man and child, that is, body, mind, and spirit. He gave greater importance to child than the methods and techniques of education. Basic education is also known by other names such as Vardha Scheme of Education, Nai Talim, Bunyadi Shiksha, and New Education. The purpose of Vardha Education Conference was to discuss about the different aspects of the new system of education, that is basic education. A basic education is an evolving program of instructions which is intended to help students become responsible and respectful global citizens and to contribute to their economic well-being. The main aim of basic education is to purify the mind and heart of people and to make society free from exploitation and aggression. There are three stages of education: primary stage, middle stage, and lower secondary stage. Primary stage consists of classes 1st to 5th. Middle stage consists of classes 6th to 8th. And lower secondary consists of classes 9th and 10th. The uniqueness of this education scheme is that education is to be given through village crafts. Gandhiji gave an important place to learning of craft. The idea was simply to introduce handicrafts as a compulsory school subject and to make learning of craft the centerpiece of the entire education program. Craft work should include spinning, weaving, metalwork, bookbinding, basket making, pottery, etc. The objective of the new education is not only a harmonious and a balanced individual but also a balanced and a harmonious society as well, where everyone is assured of living wage and a right to freedom. Now we will talk about the features of basic education. The core aim of basic education is to help students to develop self-sufficiency and self-reliance. Basic education laid a great emphasis on manual work. Medium of instruction should be the mother tongue. There should be free and compulsory education within the age group 7 to 14. Education should develop sense of truth among the children. Now, basic education has some merits and demerits too. First, we will talk about the merits. Basic education is an education for life, education through life, and education throughout the life. So it was a life-centered education. Gandhiji's scheme was highly practical as it starts with action rather than reflection. Basic education takes into account the needs, interests, and aptitudes of a child. Thus, it is a child-centered education. Basic education also provides to develop human values among the children. Now, it has some demerits also. Demerits are the overemphasis on crafts has often been criticized as child labor. Also, there is a lot of wastage of materials because children are too small to produce anything worthwhile. Also, school would degrade as trade centers, and this is not up to the aspirations of new generations of digitalized world. So we can say that Gandhiji's contribution to education is unique, and Gandhiji's philosophy of education is a harmonious blending of idealism, naturalism, and pragmatism. Also, Gandhiji gave importance to child rather than the techniques and methods of education. He gave important place to craft work, and according to him, handicrafts should be included as a compulsory school subject. He believes in learning by doing. He wants children to do something and then learn by doing it. So we can say that basic education scheme given by Gandhiji is a child-centered education, and this is all about the basic education. Thank you very much.